Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the FINRA BrokerCheck scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify. This actor is used to collect official broker and investment advisor data directly from FINRA's BrokerCheck database. This actor collects detailed professional and regulatory information about brokers and investment advisors, including employment history, licensing details, exams, and disclosures. It's designed for compliance teams, financial professionals, and researchers who need accurate, up-to-date regulatory intelligence. So, how does it work? On the actor screen, you'll first have to choose the search type. You can search for individual brokers or advisors, or switch to firm searches if you want to research a financial company instead. Once a search type is selected, you'll enter a search query. For individuals, this can be a name or a CRD number. For firms, you can search by firm name or registration number. You can also choose to include previous registrations and optionally filter by location. For this example, I'm searching for individual brokers with the last name Smith and including previous registrations. This is useful for historical research and compliance reviews. We'll select a maximum number of items of 25, and then we'll hit Run. Now, we'll give a few seconds for the actor to gather all the data. After just 15 seconds, the run finishes and the results appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a broker or firm profile with flattened searchable data. Here, you can see employment history, exam details, registration status, disclosure flags, and direct links to the official FINRA profile and PDF report. You can also download the data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file, which you can use to support compliance monitoring, due diligence, background checks, or internal reporting workflows. This scraper is ideal for compliance officers, financial institutions, and researchers who need reliable FINRA BrokerCheck data without manual searches. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, please go ahead and leave us a review. Thank you.